Hey everyone, Shraddha here. So I was making a video of CapCut refund. Okay, so somebody mailed me to just suggest something to get CapCut refund. So I just made a video for YouTube, and I was in hurry, so I didn't get time to sit and to design the thumbnail, and I try to avoid it. Actually, I am not doing YouTube very seriously, but I need to start it, and I'm very much very soon I'm going to start face videos also, so just stay in touch for it too. Okay, and I'm going to cover a lot of things. Okay, and yeah, so okay, so just cut to now. Okay, so I was about to create a CapCut refund thumbnail, and then time being I just went to Canva and I did a voice recording of, you can see this, design a YouTube thumbnail for me for CapCut refund. And then I was just talking to Canva, and I just said okay, it just all type everything like as I was doing voice recording. You can just see this. Okay, I didn't like them though, this one is good, like you can see this one, this is good. I think within 10 seconds they did it all. They did these 4 designs, I think 4 designs, but within 10 seconds you can just imagine the time. And I think these all designs, I didn't like first one that much, but second one, even third one is also too good. Okay, this also I didn't like, but still without thumb it's better to have any thumbnail than no thumbnail. Okay, then you can see I just clicked on, so there is an option, so downside again you can see more comic style YouTube thumbnail. Okay, I can just touch here, you can just see right now I can just touch it and I can get 4 more. Okay, let's just go back upside. Okay, here you can see, so I said more YouTube thumbnail designs, I just touched that option. Now you can see I just loved it. Okay, I love that. Then I said make it comic. I love comic, like you remember even in our childhood we used to like, not just I, so we used to read a lot of comic books. Like comic में होता क्या है कि उसमें पिक्चर्स ज़्यादा रहती है और वर्ड्स बहुत कम रहते हैं. उसमें पिक्चर्स ही इस तरह से रहती है ना कि वी कैन जस्ट अंडरस्टैंड द स्टोरीज एंड इट्स टू फनी और इट्स समथिंग वेरी ह्यूमरस काइंड ऑफ स्टोरीज आर देयर. सो इट्स व्हाट कॉमिक इज. कॉमिक में क्या है, टेक्स्ट कम है और ग्राफिक्स इतने ज़्यादा है कि उससे अपन समझ सकते हैं कि what they want to depict. Okay, again I wrote make it, firstly you just see first work, so it's all work within 10 seconds. Okay, then you can just see this. I liked first one also. You can see these 4 also I like these are good. Again we can just go to Canva editor and we can just change these images, we can just put others also. So okay, so there is no, you can just see this pencil button, we can do it. Again I said make it comic. Now you can see. Okay, here first one is irrelevant obviously, second I loved it, and then third also it's like something missing, fourth I loved it. Again I said more comic style, you can see now. Okay, you can just see this here. And so this is I didn't like it, so you can see 2. I think every time they are focusing on, I think 2 good, or they are sending 2 fine images. Again as I was like recording this video, I again you can see click here, so you can see this, they again send me this. So here you can see. Now I'm just confused which one to use, because these are good actually, how to easily. And please whenever you are doing this, make sure that you are checking the spellings, क्योंकि जब भी हम चैट जीपीटी से या तो फिर किसी भी AI टूल से जब कोई डिज़ाइन या वीडियो बनाते हैं ना, उसमें मोस्टली जो अपन टेक्स्ट डलता है ना, उसमें जो भी वो सब उसमें मिस्टेक्स रहती है, बहुत ज़्यादा रहती है. सो मेक श्योर टू चेक इट. ओके, आई एम लाइकिंग दिस ऑल्सो. ओके, अच्छा एक बार देख लेते हैं. दिस वन, चलो ये वाला क्लिक करते हैं. ठीक है, अब यू कैन सी टॉप साइड यूज़ कैनवा एडिटर. आई एम जस्ट डूइंग इट थ्रू फोन, आई एम टू लेजी. आई यूज़, मतलब वैसे मैं लैपटॉप से करती हूँ, बट मैं वीडियो रिकॉर्डिंग के मोस्टली टाइम पे मैं बस फ़ोन, क्योंकि मेल्स वगैरह चेक कर रही थी, मैंने डायरेक्टली ऐसे करना स्टार्ट कर दिया. ओके, सो हियर यू कैन सी बस ये है कि ये जो इमेज है ना, ये हम उतना इमेज चेंज नहीं कर सकते. बाकी वी कैन चेंज द टेक्स्ट हियर एंड हियर, ये सब भी चेंज नहीं कर सकते. ठीक है, अच्छी बात ये है इन्होंने कैपकट की स्पेलिंग सही रखी है. नाउ इफ़ यू वी वांट, वी कैन डू, वी कैन जस्ट गेट कैपकट लोगो and we can put it here, but I think it's also fine because I don't have too much time. I need to post it as soon as possible. So yeah, just wanted to share this with you all. I hope it will help. Okay, bye bye.